Subscribe to Get Curried and click on the bell icon for more updates.
The Zafrani Chicken Korma is a rich chicken curry which is cooked with cashew nut paste, spices and is flavored with saffron. Today let's see how to make the Zafrani Chicken Korma. I've heated a cast iron pan in which I'm going to heat 2 tablespoons of oil and I'm going to fry 3 finely chopped onions till they are nice, crisp and brown. To speeden up this process, I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt. But if you have fried onions at home which are easily available in the market these days, you can skip this process and use about 2 cups of fried onions. The color of the onions has changed, and now to make it slightly more crisper, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. As you can see, the onions have turned into a nice, beautiful golden color and they're fried really crisp. I'm just going to switch off the flame, wait for this to cool, and I'm going to grind this to a fine paste. It's turned into a nice paste. Now let's head on with the curry. In the same cast iron kadhai, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of ghee and 2 tablespoons of oil. The ghee is melted and it's become hot, and so is the oil. I'm going to add an inch of cinnamon, 1 black cardamom, 3 green cardamoms, 5 cloves and 10 peppercorns, and I'm going to saute this for a few seconds till it leaves its aroma. And here I have a little more than 1 kg of chicken which I'm going to sear in this for about 3 to 4 minutes on a high flame. So while the chicken is getting fried on a high flame, I'm going to beat 200 grams of curd. To that I'm going to add a tablespoon of red chili powder, a tablespoon of coriander seed powder, a teaspoon of garam masala powder. I'm going to mix this well. Going to add half a teaspoon of salt. Mix this well. I'm going to keep this aside. It's been good 3 to 4 minutes. The chicken was frying. I'm going to add a tablespoon of ginger paste, a tablespoon of garlic paste, and I'm going to fry this for another 2 to 3 minutes. To this I'm going to add the onion paste. Here I have 20 cashew nuts which I had soaked and ground into a nice fine paste. I'm going to add this as well. I'm going to saute this for a minute. The flame is still on a high and you can see how rich the gravy is already looking. We yet have to add a few other ingredients. And now to this we are going to add the beaten yogurt or the curd. And I'm going to reduce the flame to a low because we don't want the curd to curdle. I'm going to saute this for another 2 minutes. If you want your curry to be a little more spicy, you can add the chili powder at this stage. So let's add another tablespoon of the Kashmiri chili powder. Mix this well. To this I'm going to add half a cup of water, half to 1 cup. There is no need to add salt because the onion already has salt and so has this yogurt. And I'm going to cover this and cook till the chicken is done. We kept the chicken to cook for almost 25 minutes, and as I can see, the meat has left the bone. That means the chicken is ready. Let's add the remaining ingredients. I have 2 to 3 tablespoons of warm milk which I've infused with saffron, which I'm going to add. A few almonds that I have chopped over here. I'm going to add a teaspoon of kevra essence to this. I can already get an amazing aroma of the saffron, the kevra essence. Just going to gently stir this. And our Zafrani chicken korma is ready to be served. I'm going to just garnish this with some saffron milk and some chopped almonds. I'm going to add a pinch of cardamom powder to this. And our Zafrani chicken korma is ready to be served. When you have this Zafrani chicken korma with a lachha paratha or with steamed rice, you will definitely feel satiated. So do try this recipe and let me know.